In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set custom print margins in Google Sheets. First, open your Google Sheets document, make sure you're on the tab you actually want to print, and give the sheet a quick glance to confirm your content is arranged the way you expect. Setting margins is most useful when you want your printed pages to look clean, avoid cutting off text, or fit neatly into binders and presentations. Next, go up to the top menu and click File, then choose Print. If you prefer shortcuts, you can press Ctrl+P on Windows or CMD+P on a Mac. This opens the Print Setup window, which shows a preview of how your sheet will be laid out on the page. That preview is your friend. Everything you adjust will update there so you can see the results before you send anything to the printer or save as a PDF. In the Print Setup window, look for the Margins setting. By default, it might be set to normal or narrow, but to take full control, open the drop-down and select Custom. This unlocks individual boxes for top, bottom, left, and right margins, so you can fine-tune each edge of the page. You'll see input fields for those four margins. Enter the values you want. Google Sheets uses inches or centimeters based on your region settings, so you don't have to convert units manually. If precision matters for you, feel free to enter decimals, like 0.5 inches or 1.2 centimeters. As you type, watch the preview on the right to make sure nothing important is getting pushed off the page. A quick tip. While you can set very small margins, most printers have a non-printable area near the edge of the paper, so margins that are too close to zero may get clipped. Common choices are around 1 inch or 2.54 centimeters for a classic look, or 0.5 inches or 1.227 centimeters to fit more data without crowding. Adjust each side until your content looks balanced. For example, you might give the left margin a little more room if you plan to hole punch the pages, or increase the top margin if you want to leave space for a title or handwritten notes. Once you're satisfied with the margin settings and the preview looks good, click Next. From there, you can proceed to print your document as usual or choose to save it as a PDF if you want a digital copy with the exact same layout you just configured. That's it. Custom print margins in Google Sheets, made simple. If you found this helpful, feel free to apply the same approach to other sheets to keep your printed pages consistent and professional.